In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use in-person signing with Docusign. Whether you're new to electronic signatures or simply looking to streamline your process, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can utilize this feature effectively for your business or personal needs. First things first, we need to navigate to Docusign's website. You can do this by heading over to your browser and opening up docusign.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by Docusign's homepage, renowned for its electronic signature and agreement management solutions. The next step you'll need to take is logging into your account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it and enter your login credentials. Once successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. If you haven't created an account yet, be sure to sign up using a secure password, and remember to verify your email address in order to access all of Docusign's features. Now that you're on the home screen, take a moment to get familiar with the interface. You can see various options, but our focus today is on starting a new transaction. To do this, look for the Start button. This is your gateway to initiating the signing process. Give it a click and you'll be presented with several signing options. Here comes the exciting part of our tutorial, setting up an in-person signing session. You'll notice an option labelled In-Person Signer. Selecting this feature is perfect for situations where you're sitting face to face with the signer and they need to add their signature on the spot. It's similar to handing them a pen during a meeting, but done digitally. Once you've selected the in-person signer option, you'll proceed to set up the document for signing. Make sure the document you want signed is uploaded and ready, with all signature fields prepared and checked. You'll want to double check every field to ensure no necessary information is left out, as this could cause delays. By now, you're almost set for the signing session. Keep in mind, Docusign provides a user-friendly interface that will guide you through each step, helping to ensure your document is properly prepared. You can save, review, and update the details if needed. With everything set, you're ready to facilitate an effective in-person signing session. Make sure the signer is comfortable with using the digital platform and guide them through the process, showing where they need to sign. Answer any questions they might have to ensure a smooth signing experience, and there you have it. You're all set to use in-person signing with Docusign. We hope this walkthrough empowers you to make your signing processes more efficient and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, happy signing.